Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video I would like to share some of the free resources actually, to learn data science, because I've been getting some of the questions and people were asking is there a way I can learn data science free of cost, because I don't have money to invest in all those fancy courses. So that's exactly what we'll be discussing in this video. And people usually invest their money into these courses because of the services they provide, like placement assistance, resume building, and interview preparation and all those things. So people usually pay for those things rather than course content, because whatever you get in the course content, it is available on YouTube or other platforms for free. So yes, people usually pay for other services rather than course content. So it is definitely possible, and for free you probably won't get those other services. But what you can do is you can go to LinkedIn and search for people who are actually working as a data scientist in companies where you want to work, and you can send them connection, you can talk to them and try to build a relation with them, and by sharing some relevant content for them, and try to show your interest in data science and machine learning and all those things, so that they get to know that yes, you are genuinely interested in this field. And maybe after some time, when they will have faith in you, or maybe trust in you, that you actually want to be successful in this field, you can ask for referrals. If they have opening, they can always refer you. So that way you can approach this thing, and probably you can also ask them to mentor you, and if they're kind enough, they will probably agree to mentor you as well. So yeah, this is something what you can follow as a free resource, which can be a replacement for other services that for what you pay to the other courses. So yeah, with that being said, let's start this video. But let me tell you what all things I will discuss in this video first. So I will discuss some of the resources from where you can learn programming language for data science, and after that I'll tell you some of the resources from where you can learn statistics and mathematics. After that I will tell you some of the free resources from where you can learn machine learning and deep learning, both maths part and programming part, so that you can have knowledge of both. Because usually on YouTube or even on Udemy, you usually find machine learning courses which are mostly implementation using all the packages, and they don't explain all the mathematics behind the algorithms. So but when you go for interview, usually they ask all those mathematics part in the interview, so you need to know all the mathematics as well. And at the end I will also tell how I am trying to help you guys and what all I have to offer. So maybe you can consider subscribing to the channel. Now with that being said, let's start a discussion. But again, as always, please subscribe to the channel. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And if you end up finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and you can always let me know in the comment section if there is something which you want to know. I will try to reply to the best of my knowledge. Now with that being said, let's start our discussion, and let me share some of the good resources with you guys. So the first thing is programming language. So it can be any programming language actually, because machine learning and deep learning is ultimately mathematics, and if you know the underlying concepts, you can simply code it in any language. But nowadays Python and R are most popular languages which are being used in industry and in universities or in research field. But mostly in industry Python is used. So if you are confused between which one to choose, I would say I have actually made a video on this. You can check out that video here. But in short, if I have to tell, I would say go for Python, because it is getting more traffic, and people from R are shifting to Python as well. So yeah, go for Python. It will be more than enough to fetch you a job. And some of the good resources that you can follow is Corey Scheffer's YouTube channel. He has a Python for beginner playlist, and then he has a Matplotlib playlist, and he has pandas playlist. So you can follow those playlists, and you will be fine with Python, and you will be ready to move on to the machine learning concepts. So yeah, you can follow that. And there are some other YouTube channels like programming knowledge or knowledge programming, something like that, you can follow that channel as well. And there is one more channel, Durga Soft, so they are also having a good Python tutorial on their channel, so you can follow that as well. Now that we are done with programming language, let's move on to our maths and stat. So for statistics, I personally followed StatQuest, and I really liked it, and he is using all those animations, and it makes the learning really interesting, and you learn in a very good way, and you remember those concepts. So I would highly suggest you to check StatQuest channel. There you will get many useful tutorial about all the statistics part. And for maths, you can follow 3 Blue 1 Brown YouTube channel. Here again they use a good amount of animation, and it is explained in a very easier way, so you can learn from that as well. So for maths stat, I think that would be more than enough, and you will be good to go for deep learning, machine learning, mathematics part or implementation part, because now that you are done with Python or programming language and with math stat, which is the backbone of machine learning and deep learning. Now that you have learned both of these things, you can move on to machine learning and deep learning. For machine learning and deep learning, if you simply search for machine learning tutorial or deep learning tutorial, you will find tons and tons of resources on YouTube, but there are some good resources that I would like to suggest you. So the first one is, you will find somewhere around 112 videos playlist of end-to-end, because if you are about to learn machine learning, or if you are already learning machine learning, you would have already heard the name Andrew Ng, because he is probably the godfather of machine learning. So when I started learning machine learning, I followed his course on Coursera, but now the whole course is available on YouTube, so you can follow his playlist, and he has explained mathematics beautifully in that. So you will be very familiar with all the mathematics which is involved in all the machine learning algorithms. And now after learning this, you can go for the implementation part, and for this you can follow Sendex YouTube channel, you can follow KrishnaX YouTube channel. He has a good tutorials on machine learning and deep learning. He has separate playlists, so you can follow his YouTube channel as well. And Edureka also has some good machine learning and deep learning videos or tutorials on their channel, so you can follow these channels. And if you want me to jot down all the links into one document, let me know in the comment section. I will do that and share it with you guys, so that you will have everything in one place, and you can follow along. And also give this video a like if you are finding it helpful, and if I get more and more likes, I will have motivation to do all those things, because it takes quite a lot of effort, because finding all the resources and putting it in one place. And I actually followed all these tutorials long back, and I had to remember what all I followed, so that I can provide it to you guys. Now the thing what I am doing and how I am trying to help you guys. So I occasionally post a free Udemy courses link in the community section, so you can go to the community section. You can keep checking the community section, and probably you will find some good course there, because recently I posted a Python course or maybe machine learning course which was of 35 hours. So there they have explained everything, mostly the implementation part, but at least it was something. And 35 hours course is good resource, and it was for free. So yeah, whenever I get something like that, I post it in the community section, so that maximum people can be benefited from that. And also I have shared my data science notes, which you can download from the description, and the link is given in the description. And I have been getting feedbacks from people that the notes are really good, and they have learned quite a lot from those notes. So yeah, you can download the notes as well. And I'm also planning on few things in the group. We have a Telegram channel or Telegram group as well, where people are discussing about data science and several courses. And people also share some good resources there. People share their projects there, so everybody gives their feedback to the projects. And if you have some idea of project, if you want to work on the project, you can put it in the comment in the group, and maybe you can ask people to join you in the project, and you guys can work on the project among yourselves. So you can make use of all these platforms. And I have built a good community. We have over 800 people in the Telegram group. So if you join there, you will have many learners there, and maybe you will find some good resources there as well. And what else? If anything else that I'm doing or I will be doing, I will put it in the comment section and I will pin it. So far this is what I could recall. So yeah, these were the things that I wanted to share in this video, and I'm sure if you follow all these resources, you will be well versed with all the concepts, and you will be ready to apply for a job. And if you want to know about resume, how to make a resume, or how to verify that if your resume is good or bad, or if it is actually good for a particular job description, I have actually made a video. Again, you can check out that video here. So it will help you to a greater extent, and you can optimize your resume. So yeah, this is what I wanted to discuss in this video. And you can subscribe to the channel, you can hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And also don't forget to give this video a like, because it takes quite a lot of effort to make such videos. And also, if you have anything, always ask me in the comment section. I try to explain my answers to the best of my knowledge, and I also explain my answer because I want to tell you what exactly is my thought process, so that I'm able to justify my answers. And if you agree with the opinion or my justification, you can follow that. And if you don't, and if you have some other opinion, you can put it in the comment section. I totally respect that, and maybe it will help some other people as well. So yeah, this is what I wanted to discuss in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. So see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.